Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So today we're continuing to build on our WRX. Definitely got some progress on it. Frame's all done. It's looking pretty good, nice and solid, but it's not gonna go anywhere without suspension. So let's see what our suspension parts, kind of the table behind me, let's check it out. The plan for today is to get all this stuff on there. Got our shocks, rear, front. So the plan for today is to get our shocks mounted. We got the rear, we got the front, we got our springs, control arms. Hopefully our tie rod end is good, spray bar link, all that stuff is okay. We won't know until we take it apart, but if not, we'll have to order some more parts. That's all jacked up, ready to go. Let's take this thing apart. All right, so let's go at it. Basically just gonna start taking things apart, start tearing down, out with the old, in with the new. Let's get it done. Definitely need this impact Milwaukee, man. Best friend when it comes to suspension, taking things apart. I mean, if you can't get off with this guy, then you're definitely in trouble. It's amazing how much power these guys have, so. Highly recommend it if you're doing some automotive stuff, get yourself one of these. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and check out our rim. I know in the past there's a lot of comments that our rim choices are pretty poor. I don't know why Ivan gets a lot of heat for choosing the rims, but I think these ones look pretty good. I think it's going to match nicely on the WRX, so let's check it out and see what we have. Whoa, ho, ho, there it is. Dang, I like it. I think it looks really clean. Ooh, oh yeah. Get some nice tires for these guys and it's gonna look good. Looking sweet. Nice lug nuts. Also got a bunch of other parts that came in, so we got the radiator, all that fun stuff right there, washer, fluid tank, you know, all the goodies. So we got the front end going together. It's coming along. Okay, so we got a new windshield washer tank. Okay, so we got a new windshield washer tank here, AC condenser and radiator. We've got to take the old stuff off the old one, gasket, caps, whatever we have, and put on our new parts. It's so nice to have the old parts, because that way you don't have to buy less stuff. Makes it more affordable. But yeah, let's keep going and get this together. Alright guys, so we're going to start working on the rear end. We got it jacked up, and we got to get these springs and shocks over there. So let's take the tire off, start taking things apart, and put it together. Keep going. And just like that, there are the old struts right there. They honestly look not bad, they're probably fine, but we definitely want to go for that lower life, so might as well swap it out, make it look good. Alright, so I got my radiators in, fans all hooked up, AC back together. Actually got the AC machine plugged in right now, pumped the AC back onto it. Had to replace some of my O-rings, but hey, AC's working now, holding pressure, so that's great. Gonna basically let it warm up, make sure everything's working. I see my fans are turning on, but it's good, let it warm up, heat up. Before I put it all back together, make sure everything is all good and working before they take it apart again. But it's more work, so might as well do it first time, but yeah, sounding good so far, looking good, it's running. AC clutch is engaging. Woo. My reservoir tank, but that's fine. Put that higher for now. Nice. AC is blowing cold. That feels great. Here in the South, you really need a good AC. No matter what kind of car it is, AC is important. So that's nice. Happy that's working. Like I said, let's go ahead and turn the heat on, make sure it works, the heat works, and you know, my radiator fluid's all good and stuff like that. So let's do that. Alright, so now I got hot air, I got cold air, hot air. That's a good sign. That's always nice. Because then you can move forward, you know, keep going on it. Perfect. Let's finish up that suspension. So we are looking good. Front end's definitely coming together. Got the suspension on. And we just went ahead and throw the rims on there and see what it looks like. Yeah, buddy. Not bad at all. Unfortunately, the tires are coming in tomorrow, so it's going to take a minute, but just wanted to throw it out there. Looking good. So today we're going to work on the body work. We're going to try to fix all the little dings on it and get it ready for paint. So, and hopefully the tires will come in today. They said they will, so let's go around the car and see all the little damages around it. We're here on the driver's front door, and this is where the fender got damaged. And there's a lot of little things we gotta fix, all these little chips and things like that. So we can fix all of this. There is a little dent right here. We're gonna have to fix that, and all these little rock chips. So that shouldn't be too bad. We should get that, but let's keep going. All right, so here's another one. This one's on the door. This one's gonna be kind of big. We're gonna try to like maybe pop it out a little bit, but that'll get fixed up pretty good. Also, I noticed on the side skirt, there's a little bit right here, a little bit right there. Not too hard, but I mean definitely can be fixed. Well, let's keep going. And it looks like right here, we got another one. So this one's no good. We just got to hammer it out a little bit, pull it out, and we'll get it fixed up straight. So let's keep going. And maybe on the side skirt. We have a little bit of damage on the hood itself. There's a one like right here. I don't know what happened, but this is only the hood we can find. Aftermarket ones were not available right now. So we're just gonna fix this one and get it looking good. Big old dent. Okay, here we go, moving right along. It's the next day. All the primer and bondo spots look dry and ready to be blocked. I mean, let's go ahead and untape everything and get this thing ready for paint, right? It's not bad. We do need to go ahead and paint underneath the hood and the fender. Jam it out. That's the word. It left me for a little bit, but I got it. Yeah, so we'll get the fenders, the hood underneath, everything's jammed out, make it look OEM. But hey, let's keep going. So the progress is looking great on it. Happy how the bondo turned out, all the bondo parts and the primer, so it's looking really good, but we're still waiting for those tires. So unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. But make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned. We're getting this build knocked out. It's gonna be over before we know it. But turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and check out our merch store if you got time. Appreciate all the support. Until next time.
I'm slow.